Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to focus on input field on the page load event. So, there are lots of things which we can do on the page load. For example, if we want to initialize some variables, then we can also do that on page load. We can also set background colors on page load or do anything that must be done before the loading of the page. So we are doing this thing on the page load event. In this example, I will show how to focus on the input field which we have created in this form. Look at this code. We have created one form and I have written two fields, which is the text field to retrieve input from the user. So I want to focus on the name field on the load of the page. So for that we have to write JavaScript. To execute any stuff on the load of the page, onLoad event of body is used. So on onLoad we have to call some function. I want to set focus, so I am writing set focus and calling set focus function, which we have to create in script tag. So I am writing implementation of set focus function. Now to set the focus of the input field, we have to first access that field. So I am writing document dot get element by id and I am passing id fname. Now to set focus on the particular field, focus method is used, which we have seen in previous tutorial, which is the method of DOM object. So focus method is used to set the focus on particular field. So we are focusing particular field on the page load, and on page load set focus function will be called and we are setting focus on fname text field. Now let's run. We can see the cursor is in fname text field and it is already in this text box. Now let's change the focus to edge. We can see now on page load cursor is in edge text box. So this is the use of onLoad or page load events. Thank you.